what's up everybody, welcome back to the Blend R. Today I'm going to like Eurovision 2025 Ukraine. Let's get started. Wow, that voice. Is that head voice? This intro is so eerie yet captivating. Is there subtitle? No. This song gave me a Disney soundtrack vibe, right? Like cinematic energy. See. Okay, by far I love this song. The melody is hypnotic and the chorus, the rap part is so powerful. That's come on. The vocals, the instrument, it's mesmerizing. Yeah, that's head voice, right? That's so angelic. Wow, that head voice is so, it sounds heavenly. Really, guys, it is. Wow, so Ziferblat, bird of prey, the chorus. I live for the chorus. I live for the song, for the vocals, everything in the song. Like I said before, they are Disney vibe when I listen to the song, and I love the way that. Oh my god, I almost forgot about the background vocals, the harmonization. Love this song. I hope they bring this song into the Eurovision 2025 because it's a total vibe. By the way, this is the end of my reaction. Bye.